1 Minute Hungarian Lesson 6.
I'm Virag.
And I'm Mark, and you're listening to 1 Minute Hungarian, the course in which we're teaching you Hungarian 1 minute at a time. In each lesson of this series, we spend just a couple of minutes learning Hungarian, but hopefully you can find lots of opportunities to practice your new words and phrases in between lessons.
It's time to begin today's lesson. The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Today we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves. To say I am, you say
Vagyok.
I would say, for example, Mark vagyok.
And I would say Virag vagyok.
You try saying this and put your own name at the start of the phrase. So you would say your name, then
Vagyok.
okay, Virag, you would say.
Virag vagyok.
Try repeating again, putting in your name after Virag.
Virag vagyok.
Now, if you can introduce yourself using vagyok, then it's also important to be able to ask someone else what they are called or who are they. In Hungarian, there are two ways of doing this because we need to think about an informal version and a formal version. Virag, can you give us the informal version of what is your name?
Hogy hívnak?
Listen again to this.
Hogy hívnak?
Now, literally, this means how do they call you? And we'll be hearing that word in a later lesson, so remember it well. So let's hear one more time how you say, what is your name in an informal situation?
Hogy hívnak?
Try repeating after Virag.
Hogy hívnak?
Now, in a formal situation, hívnak changes to,
Hívják.
so we say,
Hogy hívják?
try that again.
Hogy hívják?
One more time.
Hogy hívják?
Okay, let's run through today's phrases once again. I am.
Vagyok.
What is your name informal?
Hogy hívnak?
What is your name formal?
Hogy hívják? Time's up.
So now you can introduce yourself and ask other people for their names. Find out more about 1 Minute Languages at oneminute.languages.com. That's all for this episode of our show.
Köszönöm, és viszontlátásra!
You have been listening to a production of the Copy Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.